Harvia is the biggest manufacturer for the wood-burning heaters in the world. Because of this fact, our wide assortment is something that I want to introduce you next. The most important thing to check and to find out when you are choosing a wood-burning heater is the volume of the sauna room. This can be checked from the drawings of the sauna room or by measuring the space for the sauna in front. Now we can start the introduction of the heaters. The smallest set of heaters is the M series, which includes 3 different models: M1, M2, M3, with the same effect, which is maximum 13 cubic meters and minimum 6 cubic meters. The difference between these models is basically a bit different design and the equipment when it comes to the fire chamber. I mean, the door, it's with the stainless steel door or with the glass. The next model, what we have here, is Harvia 20. It's a robust heater from 8 cubic meters up to 20 cubic meters. And once again, when we are getting to the bigger saunas, then we get into the Harvia 26, which goes up to 26 cubic meters. So do keep in mind that the heater size and the volume of the sauna have to match. And finally, what we have here is Harvia 36 for big private saunas and commercial saunas. If you really want to have an experience that you cannot forget, you have to get to know Harvia Legend series. Legend series is created for a real sauna enthusiasts and sauna fans. The big volume of stones, robust construction takes you back to the origin of the sauna. The smallest version what we have in Legend series is Legend 150, which works in the sauna rooms up to 13 cubic meters. The big brother for that is Legend 240, which obviously works up to 24 cubic meters. Here we have the smoke pipe cover, specially created to Legend series, which can be filled with additional stones to create more humidity conditions to the sauna. Then we have Legend 300, even more massive for bigger saunas. And finally, we have Legend 300 Duo, which is a special version for those occasions where the sauna room is wanted to be heated outside of the sauna room itself. What a nice fireplace, isn't it? But that's not all. So instead that we have here a fireplace, we have a nice combination of a good fireplace and a perfect sauna heater, Harvia Legend Duo. This is ultimate solution for the people who prefers to heat up the sauna room from the different room instead of inside of the sauna. It keeps your room more clean, the sauna stay more clean, and a couple of things which are very important. First of all, what we have here, we have a stainless steel cover covering the neck part of the heater, which is coming from the room next to the sauna. This is a safety feature. Then we have a ready-made solution to make the opening to the existing wall. Instead of building a brick wall or any other non-combustible wall, we can use our ready solution, which is made out of a security safety glass with the aluminium frame, non-combustible solution, easy and quick to install.